Hello friends, welcome to Poonam Dua classes. Today we are going to cover two very important literary devices which are not so common but are generally confusing. People, students, the aspirants get confused between these two literary devices. These are tautophrase and pleonasm. Let us understand the difference between two with the help of some examples, and please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. Tautophrase and pleonasm. These are we are going to cover today with the help of some examples, and I'll give you some MCQs as well by the end to solve. टॉटोफ्रेज प्लियोनिज्म दोनों में ही redundancies होती है, किसी तरीके की repetition होती है और उसी repetition की वजह से the students generally get confused, but there is no need to get confused. These terms are quite different from each other. Let us go for tautophrase first with the help of example. इसमें कोई phrase या sentence होता है जो कि repeat होता है या कोई idea होता है जो कि repeat होता है with the same words. सबसे बड़ा clue tautophrase को examine करने का, tautophrase को identify करने का यही है कि same word repeat होता है. Let bygones be bygones. जो बीत गया वो बीत गया. Facts are facts. तथ्य तथ्य ही है. Enough is enough. जो काफी हो चुका है वो काफी हो चुका है. Once it is gone, it is gone. जो जा चुका है वो जा चुका है. Boys will be boys और men will be men. ऐसा तो आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा. Next come to pleonasm. Pleonasm is a combination of two or more words which are more than those required. हमें कई बार जरूरत नहीं होती है दो words को use करने की. One word is more than enough to explain the idea. I saw it. मैंने देखा. With my own eyes, of course, eyes से ही देखा. There is no need to say with my own eyes. I cooked with my own hand. I have heard with my own ears. Touched with my own hands. टच किया तो हाथ से ही किया, सुना तो कान से ही सुना, देखा तो आंखों से ही सुना. At times we say, please restart again. अगर आपने रीस्टार्ट बोला ही है, रीस्टार्ट में री वर्ड है जिसका मतलब ऑलरेडी है अगेन, सो देयर इज नो नीड टू से रीस्टार्ट अगेन. तो अगर आप इस तरीके से वर्ड्स को यूज करते हैं जिसमें जरूरत नहीं थी दो बार इस्तेमाल करने की, देन वी कॉल इट प्लियोनिज्म. Let us go for literary examples. This one I have taken from a poetry written by Gertrude Stein. यहाँ पर देखिए, the first line, rose is a rose is a rose is a rose. I'm not reading the whole poetry. This sentence, rose is a rose is a rose is a rose. यहाँ पर देखिए rose होने का idea, rose का concept repeat हो रहा है. We will call it tautophrase. On the contrary, let us have a look at pleonasm. The most unkindest cut of all. मोस्ट सुपरलेटिव डिग्री है किसी एडजेक्टिव की, अनकाइंडेस्ट भी सुपरलेटिव है. दो सुपरलेटिव्स को एक साथ इस्तेमाल किया है. Already this falls under the category of pleonasm. In this excerpt from Shakespeare's Julius Caesar, redundancies, repetitions are used to emphasize just how terrible the cut was. सो इस तरीके की रिडंडेंसीज जहां पर सिर्फ एक वर्ड से काम चल सकता था लेकिन हमने दो वर्ड्स लिए सेम कैटेगरी के, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लियोनिज्म, और हमने सेम फ्रेज को ही रिपीट किया एम्फेसाइज करने के लिए, रोज 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 अगेन, देन इट इज कॉल्ड टॉटोफ्रेज. Let us go for some MCQs now. This is the question. Please provide me answer in comments. Which of the following contains a pleonasm? I would like a very cold chilled coffee. I want some hot tea. I want a cheese sandwich. I would like some sushi. The next one. I walked downtown today and bought a cell phone. The man in the shop told me these are a great new innovation. Which device of English grammar is used in the above sentence? Hyperbole, oxymoron, tautology, or pleonasm? The next one, question 3. After buying my new 4G cell phone downtown, I entered into a supermarket and saw with my own eyes that they had some fresh fashion on sale, so I bought some. Hyperbole, oxymoron, pleonasm, or tautology? And the last one. Which of the following is a Toto phrase? If you want to fix the text, fix the text. It may be possible. I hear with my own ears. Let us never negotiate out of fear, but let us never fear to negotiate. A very famous quote by John F. Kennedy. Out of these four, please tell me in comments which one is a Toto phrase. So that is it for this part of the video. I hope you grabbed the concept in a very proper manner. Please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Best of luck for your exams and do not forget to provide me the answers in comments.